Hello everyone, welcome to my gallery. I must admit, I was a little underwhelmed when I saw the first photos of this particular jar from San Juan, Pueblo. From previous videos, some of my blogs, you may recall that historic San Juan pottery tends to fall in two categories. One called black over gray, the other type called red over tan. This particular piece is an Olla, a water jar. And a lot of it at first blush appears average. When we look more closely, almost everything there is to love on a red on tan is apparent in this jar. Its size isn't remarkable, it's average, about 10 inches tall, about 11, 12 inches in diameter. But let me point out a few things that are wonderful and how we look for quality in a red on tan. First, just the beauty of the form itself, beautifully rounded, ascending to a gentle neck, almost no shoulder on these early red on tan Ollas. But something remarkable happens when you start to look at the red. Of course, immediately we see lots of fire clouds from the natural firing process. The firing fuel, usually manure, adheres to the pot, burns off, leaves lovely black, blue, deep scars that, when it comes to historic pottery today and from the Pueblo people in the past, it's a revered element. It's looked for. It's indicative natural firing process. The red itself is fascinating in this jar. The firing process has yielded just a whole series of, in fact, I can't even count the shades of red, brown, red and brown, reddish brown, and it seems just to simply occur as you twirl the jar. In this particular area, a lovely, deep, barely red tinted brown. Very unusual on red on tan pottery. It leaves this lush, rich feeling. As the pot is rotated, you'll see orange starts to emerge, and then deep red starts to emerge. All set off against this lovely light tan and deeply fire clouded area. This particular fire cloud, we're having, as I film this, a number of unfortunate, tragic forest fires. It almost reminds me of the plume of smoke. This is a fire cloud descending from the rim in smoke-like fashion all the way down to the mid-body. Glory of this beautiful jar, though, is in the array of deep, rich colorations, from orange to red to chocolate brown. This is a lovely example of San Juan pottery from the late 19th century.